this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Lululemon belt bag longer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust your Lululemon belt bag. So, all that you have to do is check for adjustable straps. Most Lululemon belt bags will have adjustable straps, allowing you to extend the length. So all that you have to do is locate the buckle or the clasp and adjust it to your desired length. So when you take this apart, you will be able to control the actual length. As you can see, all that you have to do is make it so you have more of the strap going in, so you can just control it according to your preferences. You can make it tighter or longer and more loose depending on the fit that you want to do. Of course, this is going to be the simplest approach, and like I said, most Lululemon belt bags will have the actual adjustable strap, so all that you have to do is locate it, and you will be able to pass more belt through. Now, if yours, for whatever reason, does not have an adjustable strap, then you will have to consider purchasing a strap extender, which is an accessory widely available online that can add the extra length that you are looking for. And alternatively, you can do it yourself or DIY with hair elastics. You will be able to use this method with specific strap designs. You can take the lower part of the strap and slide it through the buckle. Wrap clear hair elastics around the strap until it's snug. These will create an extra loop for the metal connector or plastic connector to rest on, and you can repeat on the other strap for even length. But like I said, the DIY method is only needed if yours does not have the adjustable strap, which seems to be something that they include in most of their bags. So all that you have to do is look for it and then adjust the belt. I hope I was able to help you with how to make Lululemon belt bag longer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.